Morning students of class 9. We are going to learn history. Before beginning the chapter number 1 of history, that is the Harappan civilization, beginning of city life, I would like to talk just something about the importance of history as a subject. We all are living in present, but the present reflects our past. It means whatever we have achieved in recent times, all these things are the contributions of the people who belong to the past. So in this way, we can understand that past is essential to understand the present. And this subject history tells us about the past events. So it is very useful to learn this subject. Yes? And you all promoted from class 8 to 9. So myself, Prakash Punj, I will teach you history this year because earlier we were not familiar with each other because of Corona. You people did not attend a single day school. That's why I have introduced myself to you. So in class 9, I will teach you history and civics. Now, without wasting much time, let's discuss the topic, the chapter, that is the Harappan civilization, beginning of city life. So, what is civilization? Here the term is the Harappan civilization. Civilization means if in an area there is developed culture, if that area is scientifically and technologically advanced, there is much development in society, social structure, architecture, yes, town planning, if there is advanced language, yes. So these are the characteristics of civilization. Yes. So the Harappan civilization, which began in the northwestern part of Indian subcontinent. Yes. So this was the first civilization which developed in our country, in the northern western part of our country. Yes. Harappa, this is a site which was excavated in 1921 in the province of northwestern Punjab. Now it lies in Pakistan. Okay. So it was the first site which was excavated, and that's why we call it Harappan civilization. Because question arises here that why do we call Harappan civilization? So because of this reason we call it Harappan civilization. We also call it Indus Valley civilization. Why? Because we all know that Indus is a river and all the earlier settlements started near the rivers. Yes. And this civilization also started near Indus river. That's why we also call it Indus Valley civilization. Yes. And one more thing, Harappan civilization is the beginning of Bronze Age. So bronze, it is an alloy of copper and tin. Yes. So after mixing these two metals by smiths, bronze was made. So during this time, when this civilization flourished, people started making bronze and used them in making different type of tools and other things. That's why it is also called bronze age. Okay. The next thing that is mentioned in our book, beginning of city life. So we can say that Harappan civilization, so civilization started in cities. Yes, and with this civilization, city life started. It means people started living in cities and towns. And earlier, we have read that first of all, villages were set up when people discovered, when people found the skill to produce crops, when they became farmers, when they started doing farming, they needed to settle at one place to protect their crops, okay, to take care of their crops. They settled in groups and thus villages were set up. Okay. After that, metals were discovered and people started making tools by using those metals. So apart from agriculture, farming, traders and merchants also emerged, and they were started doing like works like crafts and other skilled job. Okay. So in this way, from village, towns developed, because in towns traders and merchants started doing other things, and in this course the town flourished, cities came into existence. Yes, that's why the chapter, the topic is the Harappan civilization, beginning of city life. So earlier villages were set up, and whatever just we discussed, later on cities came into existence, and we can say the Harappan civilization, the culture of Harappan was based on the life that is found in city. It was much more advanced than the life of the villagers in the village. Okay. So in this way we have understood that Harappan civilization, with Harappan civilization started the city life. It is also called Indus Valley civilization. We have also discussed that it is also known as Bronze Age. Now we are coming to the next topic, that how the origin of Harappa came into existence. It means how it originated, how Harappan civilization originated. So there are many scholars who have given different kind of theories regarding the origin of Harappan civilization. First of all, some of the scholars said that the Sumerians people migrated from Mesopotamia, that is actually present day Iraq is the new name, and the old name was Mesopotamia. Yes. So it was the oldest civilization. Harappan civilization, it began in Indian subcontinent in northwestern part, but the oldest civilization was Sumerian civilization in Mesopotamia. So people thought, some scholars thought that those people, those Sumerian people had migrated from that place to our country in the northwestern part, and thus they have established this Harappan civilization. But when the cities were excavated in Harappan civilizations, there were many differences between these two different civilizations, and mainly in respect to town planning, yes, and other cultures. So the two civilizations were totally different from each other in terms of town planning, in terms of different kind of cultures. So the theory was proved wrong. Later on, some scholars gave theory that the root of Harappan civilization lies in the Indian subcontinent only. We can just say that Harappan civilization was an extensive culture of villagers. We can say that the villagers, they developed, they got a skill, yes, with time they became advanced, and slowly they developed such a kind of culture, and thus we can say that Harappan civilization is an indigenous civilization of India. Indigenous means our own. So we can say that the people of India, we can say, founded the civilization of Harappa. Yes. So origin of the civilization we have discussed, that how it came into existence, and we all know that Indus Valley civilization, Harappan civilization was founded, was actually developed near Indus river, so it is also called Indus Valley civilization. So in this way we have understood that how the civilization, the city life started. Yes, trades and other kind of works, crafts also developed in the cities in the Harappan civilization, and from there to now we have how we have developed, how we have become more advanced. Now you can relate it. Now we are in the position to understand easily that Harappan civilization, it began much earlier, yes, and when we compare ourselves to those civilizations, definitely those were advanced at that time. Okay, we will explore in the chapter that the town was planned, when we will discuss about the drainage system, other road were just crossed each other at right angle. So everything, when we will discuss about this chapter, when we will go through the whole chapter, we will find actually that how much they were advanced, and from there the story begins. And when we look ourselves at present, definitely from then till now we have achieved a lot, but the root of cities was in the past. That's why I said in the beginning that present reflects our past. Because we people think that everything we just what we have got, we take it as granted. Yes? But and we forgot to look upon our past. That the situation, the scenario that is at present, it was not as the same as earlier. Sorry, it was the same as earlier because they people, our ancestors, they provided us many things. They guided us the path. They showed us the direction, and we just followed them. And whatever we are discovering today, what we have achieved today, just because of them. So nowadays there are many metropolitan cities. Our civilization has become more advanced, but the root of all these civilizations belong to the past. So there is direct connection between past and present. From there we have reached at present. So that's why it is better, it is very interesting to explore our past. Okay, so in this way we have started our chapter history, sorry, the subject history of and chapter number 1, Harappan civilization. In the next video we will discuss about its extent, from where to where it was extended, spreaded, okay, which were the different important cities in Harappan civilizations, and many things we will discuss in this chapter. So I hope you will have enjoyed. So thank you and have a nice day.